Now check out this interior set that we just pulled out of an M600 that was hit by a tornado. The outside of the plane was all sorts of beat up, but the inside is pretty immaculate. We have all of the parts and pieces, windows, all of the panels, all the plastics, all the little small parts and pieces that make the interior a complete set. Right? Switch panel in that headliner piece. The seats are crazy cool, man. Those are some high-end leather seats right there. That'd look good in your PA46. So this interior will install in a lower model PA46. Oxygen mask, all the wiring, and you need all these little brackets that come with it to make it work in a different airplane. But it is complete.